Hello, my friends. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 318th episode and the 6th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2019. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. Today we're going to make the most creamiest, cheesiest macaroni and cheese ever. It's my Southern 5-cheese macaroni and cheese. It is the bomb.com. Delicious, simple, and easy to make. It's going to have 5 different kinds of cheese in it. And the best part about this recipe, we're going to cook it in the slow cooker. It is cheese in every bite. A great Southern soul food classic to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner. You'll be digging in no time. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your elbow macaroni, your cheese, and your crock pot sugar, because we're about to cook some 5-cheese macaroni and cheese magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 1.5 cups of my favorite ingredient, evaporated milk, which is 1 12-ounce can. And we're going to add in 1 10.5-ounce can of cheddar cheese soup. A 1/2 cup of cream cheese spread that I let come to room temperature. And my seasonings. I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon each of ground thyme, ground mustard, white pepper, and smoked paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Want to be careful not to add too much salt because cheese and the cheddar cheese soup has salt in it. Gonna give all this a quick whisk. And then we're gonna set this aside while we work on the pasta. Alright, my friends, I have boiled some water in my large pot and I added some salt. So now we're gonna add in 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Get that a quick stir so the pasta doesn't stick. And we're going to let the pasta cook a little under al dente, about 5 to 6 minutes. Because it's going to finish cooking in the slow cooker. And then I'm going to drain it and set aside. Alright, my friends, now it's time to melt some cheese. And we're just going to melt it in the same pot that we cooked the pasta in. So I have 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I got my fire over medium-low heat. And we're going to add in the cheese. I'm using 1 cup each of sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, and mozzarella. And I'm using the whole milk mozzarella to give it a little bit more flavor. Gonna stir that in. Until the cheese melts. My friends, look at this cheese. Nice and melted. Ooh, yeah. I'm in cheese heaven. Alright, now we're ready to assemble everything. I got my crock pot, and I'm using crock pot liners for easy cleanup. So now we're going to add in the melted cheese and butter. The cheese soup mixture that we made earlier. Ooh, this looks so good. I can smell the spices. And the cooked pasta. And all we do is stir everything together. Ooh, my mouth's watering. Alright, my friends, so now we're going to cover the crock pot. Going to set it to low. And we're going to let it cook for 3 hours. And then 30 minutes before it is done, we're going to top it with some more cheese on top. It's going to be cheesy-licious. Alright, I'll see you in 3 hours. Alright, my friends, this is what the mac and cheese look like after it's been cooking for 2.5 hours. So now I'm going to give it a stir. Ooh, look how creamy that looks. All that cheese. Alrighty. So now we're going to add in some more cheese on top. The same I used. Whole milk mozzarella, Colby Jack, and sharp cheddar. Ooh. Cheesy. I just swallowed my tongue. So now we're going to cover it. We're going to let this finish cooking for the last 30 minutes. All right, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. Ooh, doggles. OMG, it smells incredible up in this kitchen. I wish y'all were here. Look at all that cheese just melted on top. So now I'm going to put it in the bowl and then I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Slow cooker macaroni and cheese. Don't that look dangerously good? All right, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that cheese. Look at that. Mmm. Pasta's nice and tender. Oh, and I love that smoky flavor from the smoked paprika. Nothing but cheesy goodness. This mac and cheese is scrumptious, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Mac and cheese-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Much love, let's eat, and happy Thanksgiving.